I'm gonna go get a soda. You want a soda?
Sure. Okay.
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 I caught that, bozo. Not once, but twice it burned you. Give it another kick. I think you're gonna get it this time.
I think I just had an epiphany.
What?
That I might be able to control this little problem of mine.
Oh, how'd you learn that?
Well, first, the Coke machine robbed me, right? And I'm fine with that. But then some guy came up and laughed in my face.
Oh, no.
No, but that's just it. See? Just when I was starting to feel those old, familiar feelings, I just took a deep breath, counted backwards from 10, and I said to the guy, "Excuse me, sir, but your laughter is not helping me right now." And he said, "I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make fun." And that was it. I helped him with his luggage.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. And you got the Coke.
Hey, just a little rap on the side of the machine, and presto. Maybe that's it, though, you know?
Look what I found in my bag.
Oh, no. Oh, boy.
What do you think? Do you?
Well, under the right circumstances, sure, I could tip a few. Okay. And these are the right circumstances.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, not well.
Ooh, that must be wine. Oh. Oh.